Okay, this is the coral bark Japanese maple, but its bark isn't really that coral right now. Uh, see, well, it actually is pretty coral colored. Yeah. And this is the one that changes yellow color. It's a ZZ plant, Sam Workin. Um, let's see, I don't remember what tree that is, but these are the taro. It's also taro, koi pond, lotus, um, bougainvillea, rosemary, another type of Japanese maple, which is getting some rain. Usually, we're gonna change pots for this one and put it on the deck later. Um, these are the hami melons, kind of like cantaloupes that I was telling you about. It's been raining so much though that oh, uh, they need more sun. Bougainvillea, tomatoes. Let's see, there's a little bit of cherry tomatoes in there. These are morning glories. Hopefully they'll climb up. More taro. Pear tree. Lemon tree. This is the big dragon fruit. And all the others. And the Granny Smith apple tree. That's a loquat. The what is this? Pride of Barbados, and some agaves, things that golden barrel cactus, things that hopefully don't die when it freezes. Bamboo that is contained, but that hopefully will grow into a big hedge plant. Another loquat, and you can see the bright leaves on the top of these plants. These are the new growth. Yeah. Nothing over here. Fire pit, tree that fell down. Not a tree that fell down, but like a tree